What's up guys? Welcome back to yet again another episode on facepalm fishing. So this time I won't actually be fishing on facepalm fishing. I'll just be hanging out with some of my friends. Hello friends! And yeah, you know, I don't only have fishing friends, I hang out with my classmates as well. What we'll be doing here today is just hanging around Pulau Ubin. You know, do some outdoor cooking, survival cooking. Yeah, let some of my friends who haven't experienced this guy experience survival cooking, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So yep.
I need y'all take like dry leaves and dry ticks, like this kind one. Then take more ticks, like the thin one, and take one. Then take like 1 or 2 handful of leaves can already.
Yes sir! So for me, you know, since I'm the angler here, I will be handling the fish. You know, actually they wanted me to catch a fish in Pulau Ubin, but as you can see, I haven't made any barramundi videos so far because I can't catch barramundi for shit. So I decided to bring my own barramundi instead. So I caught one from PRMP the other day and I brought it here. I already got it at home, so I'm gonna scale it and show you how I prepare it lah. Fish is done.
Banyak open.
Wow, looks good sir.
Water boiling, sir. Yeah, good.
But sure, a bit of salt and pepper.
And we also have chicken here.
Wait. Nice right? Nice right?
I don't know what this is.
Nice right?
Yeah, it's a must. No, it's
This is a nerd of the group. Been rotting at home ever before this day.
I ain't no nerd.
What are you, bro?
Oh, you have played.
Right.
Have this, bro.
NPCC chairman. Me too. He's a Scouts chairman. Table tennis chairman.
Basket.
And for those of you who didn't know, I'm actually in Infocom. It's good to come out here once in a while and bring your friends.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy the outdoors.
Dive in the fish.
It's really awesome. Okay guys, so remember to always keep your camping site clean. Leave nothing behind except for your footprints. And yeah, let's not dirty Mother Nature.
Say thank you, Melvin. Melvin 也是请你。哇，回康春分。啊，秀。